Hi guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Alright, so first of all, as you know already, you have to change the layout to blank. So you're at Design tab, you are customizing it, we are using the A4. So make a portrait and click on OK and maximize. Alright, so the first thing I would like us to do is to go to the Insert tab, locate pictures shapes here. So you are inserting a rectangle shape. So you simply click on it, come and click here and drag to draw. Alright, so I'm giving an outline of no outline. And the shape fill, I'm choosing this color here. Alright, so I'll gently place it here. Alright, so I think this way is okay. Alright, so I'm making a copy of this one by duplicating it. So I'll press and hold the control key and click to duplicate. Alright, so I'll reduce the size of this one a little. So I'll right click on this one, go to format shape. So as the properties of it has appeared at the right side of my screen here, I'll click on the color here and I'll choose this color on top. So I'll go back there again, click on it, and now click on more colors. So I'm just going to change the color. Alright, so pretty much I think I'll be okay with this one. Alright, so again I'll go with the outline. So I have it here, the line there, I'll give it solid. So the size of it, instead of 1, I'm making it 10. And the color, I'll choose white. Alright, so let me gently place it at the top there. So I can easily rotate it this way. Alright, so I'll rotate this one also as well. So increase the size there. Okay, so let me reduce the size of this one. I just simply want to place it at the center of it. So I think here. Alright, so let me increase the size here. So you can use the arrow keys to also move it around. If you are finding it difficult to use your mouse to move it around, you have your arrow keys, they can help you to move it around. Alright, so I think I'll leave it this way. So again, I'm not stopping there again. I would like to make another duplication. So which is make another control. Press and hold the control key again to duplicate. Alright, so I'm going with this one. So I'll gently place it here also as well. Alright, so with this, I don't want to choose, I don't want it to be a color, I want it to be a picture. So I'll go with the picture or texture field. So they will now ask me for the picture source, so I'll have to insert it in there. So I'm going to work offline because I have the picture already in my device. So when it comes, I'm going to click on offline. But in case if you're having internet connection and want to insert the picture through online, so you go with this one. It will be online insertion. So I'm going with work offline because I have it in my device. So I'm going to choose this color here. I'll click on it, click on insert. Alright, so you see the picture has rotated. So I simply have to scroll to the bottom, click on this one to rotate it back. Alright, so I'm just going to leave it this way. Alright, so again, I'm not stopping there again. I'll make another duplication by taking this one to the bottom here. So I'm just going to duplicate that one there. Alright, so the size here, I'll increase it. Alright, so the color also, I'm changing the color to a blue here. Alright, so again, I'm going back to the Insert tab. Oops, I'm not going to insert another slice. I'm going back to the Insert tab. So I want to insert this triangle. So I'll simply draw my triangle. So there's outline, I'll give you no outline. and the color, I'll choose this color here. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So let me use my arrow key and move it a little. Alright, so I think I'm okay with this way. Alright, so again, let's go back to the insert tab. We are now going to insert a couple of text here. So I'll go with the text box, which is here. So from the insert tab, I can locate my text box here. So I'll just click here to insert the text. So the text that I would like to insert here will be marketing. So I'll type marketing. So I'll select it all, change the font of it to area rounded, and the size I'll make it 28. The color, I'll go with the orange. Alright, so I'll gently place it here. So again, there's one thing again that I would like us to do. I would like us to draw our own logo. So if you have a logo, you can insert it here, but I want us to create our own logo here. So I'm just going to use two rectangles to create that logo there. So which is here. So let me zoom it in. So I'm just gently going to do something like this. So the outline, I'll choose this color. I'll remove the shape fill. So I'll come here and increase the width of the outline. Alright, so I'm just going to make a duplication of this one. So I think this way. Oops. Oops. I want to make a duplication of that one, so let me just zoom it in so I have a clear view of it. So when I select it this way, I'll duplicate this way. Alright, so let me zoom out again. So now let me select this one also and add, so I can gently move it around. So I think I'll place it here. Alright, so I'm taking this one and I'm making another duplication here, so we can have your company logo there. So let me just write something like this: company logo. So after that, you can have a tagline here. So I'll select the tagline and I'll choose color white. So I'll select it all. I'm going to change the font of it. Alright, so the size, I'm making it possibly 14. Alright, so let me zoom out a little. Okay, so I'm making a duplication of this one again, or I can simply take this one. So I'm bringing it here and I'm going to change the text also in there. So let me make it white so we can see everything clear there. So the first text will be, we are marketing experts, or digital marketing expert. So I will select it all, align it to the center. So now I want to change the size of it. So this one I'll give it 14. I said 14, 24, and the color of it, I'll choose this blue, and the marketing also, the color of it, I'll choose this color, but the size, I'll make it 20. The 28 is small, so I'll make it 36 rather. So I can gently place it here. Alright, so let me go and insert a line there. So I'm choosing 3, and the color we are going with white. Alright, so I can again zoom out a little. Okay, so again I'm picking this one here. So I'm just going to change the size and the text in there. So I'm going with about us. So the about, I'm changing the color of the about to this color. Alright, so the about, you can just have small description there, but I don't have any, so I'm just going to generate some text there. So I'll be looking for one paragraph for one line. I think this is okay. So I'm changing the font of it, and the size, I might make it 14. It's too small. Alright, 16 is okay. Okay, so again, let me take this one, and I'm making a little duplication here. Alright, so I'm changing this text here to white. So after the white, you can have choose as. So this one also, I'm making it orange. Alright, so let me use my arrow keys to move it down a little, or possibly I can reduce the size of this one. Alright, so let me just take both of this, move it to the top. Alright, so I think this way is pretty much better. Alright, so again, let me just increase the zoom in. Alright, so why choose as, you have some points there, the reason why you choose the this company. So I'm just going to insert some kind of a different style of logo bulletin here. So I'll go with this one. I'm just going to draw it here. So we use that one as our bulletin. So I'm giving it no outline, and the shape fill, I'm choosing color black. So I can gently place it here. So let me duplicate this one. Alright, so here let me just increase the size, the length rather, not the size. Alright, so let me make a duplication of this all. So I'm using my arrow keys to move it right now, in case you didn't know. Alright, so I think this is much better. So you can have some 3 reasons here. If you want, you can insert more, but I'm just using only 3 reasons. And remember, these ones are just some default text that I've just generated here, so they are not valid. So it makes no meaning also. Alright, so again, I'm going back to insert tab, and I will be inserting a rounded rectangle, which is right here. So I'm just going to insert it here. So I'll control the radius. So the outline, I'll choose black, and the shape fill, I'll choose no fill. So you are going to type in contact us there. So let me select so and change the color to black. And the font also, we are choosing this one right here. And the size, we'll make it 16 and make it bold. Alright, so the color, let's change the color also. Alright, so let me bring this one down also. So with this one, I'm changing the size also to 14, and that one will be the phone info. So I'm just going to go with this number. You know, it's not valid. Alright, so let me add email address. So you can easily go with company name. You have to look for a valid one though. So let me just change it to send lowercase. So we have company name at gmail.com. Alright, so let's go and insert our phone icon. I have it in my device, so I'll go with insert this picture. So this device. So I've inserted it here. Alright, so I'll gently place it around here, somewhere here. Alright, so let me place this one closer to it. Alright, so again, let me go back there again. I'm going to insert my email icon. Alright, so let me reduce the size a little again. Alright, so let me use my arrow keys to move it. Okay, so I think down here also is not bad. So let me move this one down a little. Alright, so I'm moving this one top a little. I want there to be some spaces in between it, so it will not be too much closer to each other. Alright, so I think this is not bad. So let's zoom out and see how our view looks like. Alright, so as you can see, everything is well fit and intact. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.